Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to view your reward in the Booking app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe, leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First, you have to open up the Booking app. Here it opens up in the search menu. From here we have to go into the profile menu and then tap on rewards and wallet. Here we can check our wallet balance, and then we can browse the rewards that we might have, and yeah, after a few travels we are going to receive some kinds of rewards, some points that we can actually spend at different kinds of apartments that we book on the site. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one.